Hi, I'm Dr. Renata Harris. I'm a cosmetic physician here at Reflections, and today I'm going to talk about ways to turn back the clock on your neck. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. There is a I button in the right up-hand corner with links to other information. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. The neck is an area that a lot of my patients complain about, especially for women. This is an area of concern. First, I always recommend to make sure that you use sunscreen to prevent any sun damage. And when you clean your face and apply moisturizer, make sure that you come all the way down to the neck. Don't stop at just the jawline. It's usually the difference between the quality of the skin of the face and the neck that makes the neck stand out. Crepey skin in the neck is usually one of the first things that people notice. We have multiple options to treat that, anything from microneedling to RF microneedling to just RF, lasers. Those are some of the options that we have available to tackle that problem. These options can range from very mild with minimal downtime to more aggressive with more downtime. For loose skin on the neck, when it's really mild, we usually start with a biostimulator like Radiesse. We inject it under the skin and it basically stimulates your body to make more collagen and elastin. The next step would be to add some type of technology to it, like radiofrequency or Ulthera. If you have too much looseness and too much skin, then really surgery would be the only option for that. If the issue of the neck is too much fat, like in the submental area, we also have several options for that. One is non-invasive using cool sculpting. There's a small applicator that's called the Cool Mini that fits perfect in that area. Next, you could also consider doing Kybella, which is an injectable fat dissolver. Usually that requires 1 to 2 treatments. If the problem is more a lot of fat with just a little bit of loose skin, then liposuction with laser tightening is going to be your best option. However, if the issue is too much loose skin, then really your only option would be surgical to remove that extra skin with a neck lift. So for horizontal banding, which are those little bands that you can see develop over time when the underlying muscle in the neck starts to change, we can use Botox to relax them and make them less noticeable. Another great option for crepey skin of the neck that I really love, especially if people have a lot of sun damage and they have horizontal necklines with it too, is nanofat. It's really the best thing there is to improve the quality of the skin in the neck. With the nanofat procedure, we take some of your own fat from the abdomen and then we process it so we are left with just the stem cells out of that fat. And then we inject it and microneedle that directly into the skin. And we also use it to fill up the horizontal necklines that some patients have. And it gives a fantastic result because it really regenerates new skin in that area. A somewhat simpler way to treat horizontal necklines is by using off-the-shelf filler. You can inject it directly into the lines. It makes them less visible. It doesn't make them go away 100%, but you can get a great improvement that way. So if you are interested in learning about treatment options for your neck, you can give us a call and set up a free consultation, and then we will evaluate you and come up with a treatment plan that would work for you.